I want to introduce you to James A. Lenker, a magisterial district judge in Dauphin County, Pennsylvania. In 2011, Judge Lenker presided over a 2-day trial for animal cruelty related to a live pigeon shoot. The charges were brought by Pennsylvania Humane Police Officer John Seaton. The defendants were the Erdman Sportsmen's Association, which holds live pigeon shoots, and an individual named Don Bailey, who supplies pigeons to be shot. I am showing you just a very small amount of the video evidence presented. The case was not about the legality of pigeon shoots themselves, although it is obvious that if Pennsylvania's humane laws are worth more than a loaded commode, pigeon shoots are illegal. These cruelty charges dealt with how the pigeons were treated after they were shot. Birds who are injured but not killed are supposed to be put down as humanely as possible, as quickly as possible. Here you can see that live birds are being retrieved by a young male trapper boy who does not kill them, but merely dumps them in a barrel alive. In this clip, the kid actually hits a live pigeon with a bucket for no reason. Incredibly, Judge Lenker found the defendants not guilty in this case. How is this possible? Judge Lenker is a tool of the National Rifle Association, and I will prove it. Let me read to you part of what Judge Lenker said in his decision. Quote, "I know that it's a historic and legitimate activity that's been steeped in tradition throughout the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania throughout many years, 100 years, unquote. Now here is a statement from the National Rifle Association. Quote, pigeon shooting is an historic and legitimate activity steeped in tradition. Shoots have been held in Pennsylvania for more than 100 years. Sound familiar? Although Judge Lenker's entire decision was devoid of logic, common sense, or consideration for the law, his near copying of the NRA's statement about pigeon shoots makes it clear that he is little more than a tool of the NRA, which supports this bloodletting. Before rendering his outrageous verdict, Judge Lenker refused to allow the prosecuting attorney to make a closing statement. After his outrageous verdict, Lenker left the courtroom, ignoring the prosecuting attorney's attempts to give him case law that would blow his verdict to hell. It is obvious that James A. Lenker made his decision not based on the law, but by NRA dictate. This evidence shows that James A. Lenker is unfit to sit as a judge. Unfortunately, the ranks of Pennsylvania's judges, legislators, police, district attorneys, and other government officials are loaded with this kind of servants to special interests, right up to the governor's office. This is Steve Hindy for Showing Animals Respect and Kindness.